How to add a contact us page on Shopify easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add a contact us page on Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your shopify.com and you will land right here. In order to add a page on your Shopify store, you can actually go to the online store option here. We can also open up our store like from our direct like online store, or you can go to your admin. I will be creating a page from my admin because it's a lot more easier. So once you open up your online store right here, you will get a bunch of different options. We have blog posts and pages. So you're going to go to pages right here and it will show you the different pages you have on your store. And here we can create any kind of page we want to. You can create a contact us page, you can create a policy page, product page, whatever you want to create. Click on add page and you have to give your page a name. So I'm going to be calling it contact us. All right, so this is going to be the content for the page, and here I can upload the images, videos. We of course have the text, the alignments, everything. So for contact us, you will enter the text on your page. For example, you will enter your email address. For example, I have just typed in few of the options right here for contact us. We can also add a contact us form. That's what I usually do with my other websites and stores. So you can create a Google Forms maybe and add it right here in your contact us page. But this is where you will be adding the content for the page. Once it's done, you can select the visibility. Then we have online store, so you will select the template as well. So I'm going to select this theme, and once you're done you can scroll down to see how it will look like, and this is the contact us page for my store. Once you're done, click on save and your new page will be created on Shopify, which is a contact us page. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.